see how many iPhones we can charge with 20k power bank from Belkin. So this is gonna be interesting one. So this is a 20k power bank from Belkin. Also we have a 5 iPhones, which is gonna be a lot of fun. Make sure you drop a like. This is the way to support this channel. Subscribe if you're into it. So what we have here, we have the iPhone XR. We have the iPhone 6s. Also we have the iPhone 5s. And we have the iPhone SE first generation. And last but not least, we have the iPhone 7 Plus. This is a pretty nice, cool skin. And last but not least, we have the power bank from Belkin. This is 20k. In today's video, we're going to see how many iPhones we can charge. We're gonna be able to charge all the 5 iPhones, or maybe we're gonna charge only 3 or 4. Make sure you watch the full video today. Let's start with the first iPhone. So we're gonna start with the smaller iPhone, which is the SE first generation. And let me show you what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna plug. So it's being plugged now. And now let me show you that this is fully charged. I charged it yesterday. Also, if you want to know how long it takes to charge this power bank, watch the video in the link in the description down below. So let me show you that this is a full, we have 4 bars as you can see. So this is a fully charged power bank. So let's plug it now. So this is being plugged. As you can see, this is charging right now. So I'm gonna leave it on the side, and when the battery is around 99%, I'm gonna show you, and then we're gonna move on to the next iPhone. Sounds fair? Give a like. Okay, I'm very excited. Let's start now. Alright, so now it's time for the results. So we had 5 iPhones. We had the iPhone 6s, we had the iPhone 5s, we had the iPhone XR, also we had the iPhone SE first generation, and last but not least we had the iPhone 7 Plus. And all the 5 iPhones has been fully charged. Again, this is shocking and surprising for me actually, because this is a 20k power bank only, and believe it or not, I still have around 40% remaining in this power bank. So we still have like a 40% juice. So you still can charge at least one more device. So very, very good. So imagine you go for a couple of days, for weekends, outside, camping, hiking, and I think this is gonna be very good if you have it with you. Depends how many devices you're gonna charge. So once again, this is not being sponsored, but I recommend this power bank, 20k power bank from Belkin. There you have it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. And also don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And if you like this merch, I'm gonna leave a video down below if you like to support the channel, if you decide to buy this merch. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And stay charged, my friends. See what I did? I'll see you in the next video.